Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel CS students and hope you all going good. So my loving students, most of the students were asking from me, sir, whether CA May examinations 2021 will definitely postpone or not. So in this video, I will let you know whether the CA 2021 examination is postponed or not. Definitely you will get answer in this video, but my request to all of you, till last you see this video, right? First of all, and considerable question or questions you can comment in my comment box and you will get answer of them, right? So my students, you know that as of now, what I can say, it is a gambling. What I can say, it is the gamble because of November 2020 examination were postponed, you remember, and those who have opted out will appear in January 2021 in all probabilities. Thereafter there are few more questions which needs to be looked upon, right? The most important questions that arising is when will the result announce. This is the first one question is. Second one is how much time will be available for the students who are unable to clear the same. Third one is when will the vaccine reach common man and what would be the status of the COVID. Fourth one is when are the other exams of graduations, right? Board examinations, CBSE board examinations conducted for the availability of the schools and colleges to conduct the examinations. So many issues are there. So what are the many issues are not so easy. So it seems that at the surface, but one this is for sure, that the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India will take enough care to provide the most feasible solutions to the students, right students? It is impossible to satisfy everyone at the same time. If you have heard this phrase, this is the what the institute is facing during the November 2020 attempt. So my loving students, my what are my question, what are my queries, or what are my answerable to you. So you remember, my views are strictly personal, right? My views are strictly personal. So what are my views in this regards? So students, I think they will get postponed. I think they will get postponed because it will be around 25th March that the results of the January or February 2021 examinations will be declared. I think that means, because I'm again saying my views are strictly personals, that is 25th March, that is the result date of the January February 2021 examinations that will be declared. And I calculated 45 days from the 10th of February 2020, as due to digital evaluation methods the evaluation time is now 45 days instead of 60. So roughly application forms may be released by 5th of April 2021, and we know that the exam applications windows remains open for the bare minimum 20 to 25 days. That brings us to end of the April 2020. So in my views, my 2021 examinations may get delayed at least for 10 days to 20 days. So my students, hope this video will definitely you love this, and like the channels, subscribe the channels, and please, if you have any observations or any comments or any questions regarding this, then you can comment in my comment box. I will answerable to that, right? So thanks a lot, and thanks for watching this video. Thanks a lot.